Hello, welcome to Pro Trader Strategies Market Commentary for Monday, June 8th. My name's Eric Wilkinson. Some of you may recognize me on CNBC, Fox Business, where they referred to me as the WOlfman. Anyway, we got a couple of things going on today. As I talked about on Friday, we kind of broke the trend line that I was showing you here on this chart, and I ended up putting in a put spread on Friday. It was a weekly put spread with 11 days to go. It's not working out very well for me. I ended up selling the 8.5, buying the 6.5 put spread in the SPOOs for 11 days to go, like I said, and I'm being tested right now. So that's not working out real well. The reason why I put that on is because of this doji right here. It started making it really look like there was going to be somewhat of a bottom there, and I thought today we might run up and test this 110, 111 area and then hope to see a sell-off. But sure enough, we've gone down. I am below Friday's low there, as you can see, and so I kept my buy on the put a little bit tight on the 6.5, so I didn't want a whole lot of room because I figured if it broke that 8.5 area, we were going to be at least selling off quite a bit. So I have it kind of tight. You know, it could easily go down to this 104, 103 area. So I kept it tight. If I figured we broke Friday's low, we were going to even test lower. Something I'm looking at for today is in IBM. IBM's looking pretty good. We got volatility kind of spiking, and so I don't like to put a lot of trades on as volatility is expanding. As you've seen in some of my tutorials, I like to see the volatility expand, put on the trades, and then watch that volatility contract, the Vega really contract, and you'll see a lot of quick money that way. But so I'm trying to hold off, keep some of my money on the sidelines right now, hold margin. But I saw this IBM trading down to this support at the 165 area, and there's even more, another line of support right here in the 160 area. So I looked at it, one standard deviation away is a 160 handle. So I ended up selling the 160 puts and buying the 155 puts in there for a price of 90 cents. So I've got that trade on. That's the only thing I've really put on today. I'm kind of looking at several different things going on. We got a little bit of support in the bonds today, mostly due to the SPOOs selling off. It's probably going to keep pushing lower in the bonds, only because I'm looking at a 30-year mortgage right now, so they're going to probably try and spike those rates a little bit on me so I can lock that in at a high rate before they start, before the bonds start taking off and watching those interest rates go down a little bit. That's just a little farce, but that seems to be the trading world. When you go to put something on, it seems to push against you. It seems like sometimes that pull and tug. But anyway, well, let's keep an eye on this IBM trade. I think that one might work out for me. One other one that's not working out very well is Tesla, and one should know to never sell Tesla, I think is the mantra there. I thought it was going to be a little bit of resistance here. It's not happening, so that one I'm getting tested on. I have a call calendar in there, so I'm going to probably have to look to manage that and roll my my short in the weeklies out a little bit further in time and try and get a little bit of theta into that trade rather than anything else. So we'll have to see. I'll keep you posted on that trade and let you know how things are going. So you know, keep checking it out. Check out our Pro Trader Strategies website. You can sign up and get in with me on the classrooms. We're talking about different times to implement these strategies, when you should implement like a condor, a butterfly, and we'll go over those things in detail and go over even your specific trades that you're looking at. I can answer some questions with you on those. So check that out, sign up, and let's rock it on. If you can't take that, take it easy.